Hello traders, we're back with one more setup. The pair is CHFJPY this time. So let's check the date and time first. So I'm gonna refresh. Currently it is 1:01 a.m. Wednesday, 22nd of July 2026 in EST. So coming back to the chart, this is 4-hour time frame and we are going short at the current price 200.70, and the take profit will be this black line around 200.15. So we are expecting around 55 pips, 50 plus in this trade. So we'll see how it goes. So the direction is short, we're gonna go down, and whenever I'll exit, I will come back and record the take profit video. TP is dynamic, I can exit early if I want to. So we'll see how it goes. So we have gone short, and we'll make around 50 plus pips in this trade. That's the expectation. I'll come back and record the take profit video when that happens. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back with our take profit video for CHFJPY. So let's check the date and the time first. So refresh it. Currently it is 8:05 p.m. Wednesday 22nd of July 2026 in EST. I don't know when did I enter the trade, maybe a couple of days ago, maybe yesterday only. I have no idea. Check the date and time in the beginning of the video, but I think it was maybe yesterday or a day before. So we are out because our trailing stop loss is hit. So where did we enter? We entered, let me check. So we entered here at 200.72, which will be somewhere here. 272. This candle. Yes, this was the candle on 21st of July. So that's when we entered. And then we got our trade until here. And I think we have exited maybe, let me think, 16 pips earlier. Yes. So because we were using trailing stop loss, which is a good idea every time to use it, even though if you exit early, that's fine. So I was using my trailing stop loss on this candle. So we have made 39 pips in this trade, which is money. Okay, money is money. A lot of money. For some people, it's a lot of money. Okay. So we entered at 200.71972, you can say, and we were out at 232. So exactly 40 pips you could see here. 1 pip in the commission. So 39 pips, I'll take it. I'll take it any day. And this trade only lasted maybe 24 to 36 hours maximum. Okay. Anyways, that's all. So if you want to watch these videos and do nothing, then no problem. Keep watching and do nothing. But if you want these trades yourself before they happen and you want to make this kind of money, join the program which says swing like a pro somewhere on the screen or below the video or on the sales page, wherever you are watching it. Go and find that swing like a pro program in my YouTube video below and help yourself, because nobody else will. If you don't join the program, no problem. If you want this, you need to get this. Go and get it. Help yourself, then only I can help you. Otherwise, I'm cool with making these videos. If you want to have fun, just watch the videos and have fun in watching me making this kind of money. Till then, see you again.